Welcome to another successful project by SCON Design India Pvt Limited. In this video, we proudly showcase our recently completed land survey and Tippani survey project in Mulbagal, Karnataka for our valuable client, Mr. Santosh Kumar. The total survey area covered was 27 acres and the entire project was executed using advanced technology DGPS by our experienced survey team. Surveying is the foundation of every successful land development project. Before construction, land registration, fencing, or layout planning, it is essential to know the exact boundaries and accurate land measurements. For this project, our client required a complete DGPS survey combined with Tippani survey verification to identification the original government boundaries and verify the actual land position on the ground. Our professional survey engineers carefully studied the available land records, Tippani sketches, and revenue documents before starting the field. Using high precision DGPS equipment, our team established accurate control points across the entire 27-acre property. DGPS technology provide centimeter level accurate, making it one of the most reliable surveying methods for large agriculture lands and development projects. After establishing the control points, our team conducted detailed field measurement and verified every boundary with the available Tippani records. The survey process included DGPS control point establishment, boundary identification, Tippani survey verification, corner point marking, area calculation, coordinate generation, survey documentation. Throughout the project, our engineers ensured the every measurement matched the government records as closely as possible while maintaining the complete accurate in the field. Many landlords face boundary disputes because of they depend on the old physical markers on approximate measurements. A professional DGPS survey helps eliminate uncertainty by providing highly accurate coordinates and boundary position. When combined with a Tippani survey, it's become much easier to identify the original survey numbers, boundary lines, and land extent record by the revenue department. The process is exactly valuable for agricultural lands, real estate developers, industrial projects, farmland buyers, land development, land registration, boundary fencing, legal verification. Accurate surveying save time, reduce the future disputes, and protects valuable land investments. We sincerely thank to Mr. Santosh Kumar for trusting SCON Design India Pvt Limited for the important 27 acres land survey project at Mulbagal. Our dedicated survey team successfully completed the DGPS and Tippani survey with professionalism, accuracy, and technical excellence. If you are planning to purchase land, development, develop agriculture property, construct industrial buildings, or required accurate boundary verification anywhere in Karnataka, SCON Design India Pvt Limited is ready to assist you with advanced survey solutions. Contact us today. DGPS survey, total station survey, Tippani survey, drone survey, topographical survey, layout survey, boundary demarcation, 3D laser scanning survey, BIM services, architectural and structural design. SCON Design India Pvt Limited, precise technology and trust in every survey. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more engineering, survey and construction project updates.